Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jeff here at Opus. Hope you guys are all having a good day. Today's video is going to be kind of long. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible, but there's going to be a lot of really good, useful information in here for you guys. So let's get into it. Go ahead and click that DriveSafe Diagnostics tab. Let's get that cable plugged into that diagnostic port, key on with a battery maintainer. Go ahead and select the Diagnostics tab there in the lower left corner. Next, we want to click IVS Repair. This is a gasoline truck. We're going to go ahead and go into generic powertrain. You can see here that we can read just the faults in the ECM if we needed to, if we had to clear a check engine light. You guys also have the ability to do that inside the TCM, the ABS, the airbag module, TPMS, some ADAS modules, and also up there in the Others tab. We can go into Sensors and Actuations, and we can look at live PID data on the vehicle. So this here is going to be one thing that you can use IVS Repair for. Next, let's try a few other things. Let's go into the ABS module. Let's see if we can check that steering angle sensor on this vehicle. So we're going to go into Sensors and Actuations. Up there at the top, there is a search bar. You guys can use that if you're looking for a very specific thing. So our steering angle signal here, you can see we're at 1.3 degrees. Let's go ahead and stop all sensors. Next, let's go into Actuations. Let's go down to Steering Angle Adjustment. And let's see if we can calibrate the steering angle sensor on this car. Steering wheel is straight ahead. We hit calibrate. It was successfully sent. Go ahead and click OK. Next, let's go back to Sensors. Let's go to that steering angle signal. And you can see here that we zeroed out the steering angle sensor. Let's try something else here. Let's click the back button. Let's go into Safety. Let's go into that ODS, Occupant Detection System. And let's see if we can reset a seat weight sensor inside the module. Understand, guys, that this is not going to work on every vehicle. Depending on where the manufacturer puts these procedures within certain control units, it may not be the same as this vehicle that we're working on, and you guys might be on a little bit of a hunt with inside the modules to find what you're looking for. Let's go ahead and click OK. Nissan puts all of their resets under work support, so let's go ahead and click work support. And there it is, 0-point reset function. So this allows the resetting of it. Ensure that there's no weight on the passenger seat. Go ahead and click done to continue. And we can see here that the test was completed successfully. Let's go ahead and back out of the module. There we go, guys. So on this particular vehicle, we were able to reset the seat occupancy sensor. We were also able to reset the steering angle sensor. So these are just a couple things that you guys can do with IVS Repair. Just keep that in mind. It may not work on every vehicle. Keep that in mind as well. But it did work on this one. So we're going to go ahead and back out, hit that home button. Are we finished with the vehicle? Yes. And we're back on the home screen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And until then, take care.